How do you do?
Hi.
How do you do?
Yes.
Could I ask you 2 questions?
Yeah, well,
This is Channel 4. We are interrupting this evening's film for an important announcement from the Cabinet Office and the Met Office. Please stand by. Emergency information will follow shortly. This is an emergency announcement from Channel 4, issued on behalf of the British government and the National Emergency Committee. Around 40 minutes ago, signs of geothermal activity were reported beneath the English Channel near the Cotentin Peninsula off the northern coast of France. This event has now resulted in the formation of a tsunami in the channel. The wave is moving rapidly northward, with landfall expected along the southern coast of England and parts of South Wales within the next 20 to 30 minutes. Evacuations are currently taking place along the coasts of the following counties: Cornwall, Devon, Dorset, Hampshire, West Sussex, East Sussex, and South Wales. Evacuations in South Wales are currently happening in Cardiff, Barry, Swansea, and Newport. All residents in coastal and low-lying areas are urged to evacuate to higher ground immediately. Do not use motorways or coastal roads unless instructed by emergency personnel. If you are near the coast, leave the area now. You may not have time once the wave is visible. That is all the information that we have so far. Channel 4 will now suspend regular programming to provide ongoing emergency information. Please stay tuned for updates.